How to get a business loan for your laundromat. Laundromats depend on reliable machines, utilities, and maintenance, all of which require significant upfront and ongoing costs. Quick funding can keep your machine spinning and profits flowing. Now, our team are independent brokers. We're not part of David Allen Capital, but we collaborate with them because of their proven track record in providing efficient business funding. David Allen Capital partners with multiple lenders, often approving same day and funding within 24 to 48 hours. They also offer a $500 meet or beat guarantee. If another lender beats their offer, DAC will either match it or pay you $500. To qualify, your laundromat should have at least 4 months in operation, generate $15,000 or more in monthly revenue, and have a FICO score of 550 or higher in the US or Canada. Newer locations can explore DAC's microfunding programs. Click on the link below to apply today and see how quickly your business can be funded. Best of luck!